What up, Kennel Crew? We are live on a Saturday night, and we filled 4-box 2021 NFL Mixer. This is PYT number 77. This was a PYT break, which means it hit the store live at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and there were a lot of you in early and often. Thank you very much for the support, Kennel Crew. Really do appreciate it. 1 Mosaic Cello, 2 Phoenix on release weekend, and 1 encased. Breaker's choice on the order. We're on the box order. We're going to start with the Cellos. May the Genesis be with you all. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck, everybody. Hey, I thought so what's going to go on with that?
What?
My thing. Is Gallienne working on it? First, Brady. Going to the 4 spot for Jeff. Kyler Murray green for the Cardinals. Big Ed Kyler, Koromoa, and a Diami Brown. Oh, a pink Brady. Very nice. Very nice pink Brady. Robinson, Trianka, and a Super Bowl pink Brady for the Buccaneers. I mean, for the Patriots filler squads. The 3 spot, Blake B. with the pink Brady. A green Joe Mixon, a big head Roethlisberger, a Riot, and a Jamar Chase base.
You should call him Big Head.
The cards look have like oversized heads on them. So instead of calling it Touchdown Masters, I just call it the Big Head.
Oh, I was like, what?
Thielen, a Strachan, followed by a Saquon Barkley. Dwight Freeney, green for the Colts. A Hall of Fame of Sanders, Wangu, and a Smith. Peyton, George Kittle, and a Cornell Powell. A green Beckham, a David Montgomery, followed by a Jalen Waddle and a Bolton. Cooks, whoops. A Tua pink, followed by a Quiddy Pay. Waddle debut. A Jarvis Landry for the Browns. A green Surtain for the Broncos. A silver Gainwell for the Eagles. McMath and a Phillips. Let me grab some penny sleeves real quick. Just give me a minute here. Stephon Diggs, Rieger, and a Jared Goff. For whatever reason. Man, I suck at betting. Jonathan Taylor Green for the Colts. A DK Metcalf for the Seahawks. Kadarius Toney and a Jabril Cox. Goff, Ian Book, and a debut of Devontae Smith, pink. That's kind of a weird pinky color. Marlon Humphrey Green for the Ravens. Ooh, a silver Tom Brady for the Buccaneers. Nice one here. Silver Brady for Straight Loons and the Buccaneers. Elijah Mitchell and a Darden. Woodson, Penei Sewell into Baker. Ah, damn it. Chase, Hurts, Drew Lock Green. Randy Moss, Hall of Fame for the Vikings. Felton and a Turner. Or how are Desmond Bain rookies not the hottest thing since sliced bread? That's what I really want to know. Julio Jones, Jenkins, and a Najee Harris pink. Burrow. A Buda Baker for the Cardinals. A green Odigazua. And a bang of Dobbins. Khalil Herbert and a Ramondre for the Patriots to the 7 spot. That means we should see a Mac Jones base here in the next pack or two. Garrett, Godwin, and a Drew Brees. A Dez Fitzpatrick mosaic. Nice one here. A green color match here on the Zach Wilson. Nice one there for the Jets and the filler squads. It's going to the 2 spot. That's you, Eric. It's a nice hit there. Dion, silver Dante Culpepper, and a Pitts base for the Falcons. Dalton, Warner, and a Fitz. They're definitely rare, Jeff. They're definitely rare. Melvin Gordon green. Harris and the Williams. I feel like in Mosaic, they pop up less than most, for sure. Russell Wilson, Kyle Trask, pink, and the nice Mahomes, pink. Russell Wilson, pink. Wilson debut. Murray. J.J. Watt, green for the Cardinals. A Big Head Baker. Trey Sermon and a Funk. The Wilson debut is the 3 spot. Dante Hall, Rodney Harrison for the Patriots will go to the 6. And a Roethlisberger. Okay, that rounds out our first box of the break. Not bad. Not bad for this least expensive box of the 4. Found a silver Brady, a pink Brady, and a Wilson green. Not bad at all. Good luck, everybody. Breeze, a Palmer rookie, a green Ryan Fitzpatrick for the football team, or excuse me, a red Ryan Fitzpatrick for the football team. That's 164 of 250. And the best receiver in football, Heatwave Adams for the Packers. Palmer. Tom Brady for the Patriots. That is the 4 spot for Jeff. Aaron Rodgers, Brevin Jordan. And a Hot Routes. That's to 50 on the Claypool. 22 of 50 for the Steelers and Phil T. And a Marquise Brown, silver.
Why don't I just sketch up a bulldog real quick with my hand?
Tannehill, Thielen, Jacob Harris. Oh, what do we got here? 9 of 10, Derek Carr. Oh, I'm so jelly.
Who is it?
Bills Mafia with the Derek Carr, 9 of 10. That's sick.
Talk to me.
That's sick. I need that in my life, Bills Mafia. And a Hot Routes, Allen Robinson, silver for the Bears. That's right, Airsoft. Julio Jones, Keenan Allen, Horace McMath. A rookie. Wow! Boom! Let's go, Phil! A Drew Lock Flamethrower, silver. Thomas Kuechly, a Boogie Basham. And a Josh Allen for the Bills. Straight loons on the Bills. A silver Stafford for the Rams. Adams, Henry, rookie Bates, a Jamar Chase silver, followed by a rookie rising silver of Trey Lance. The Jamar Chase is to 150. Nice one there again for Phil T. And the Jamar Chase. And the rookie rising Trey Lance. Mahomes, Ridley, Kwity Paye, a Jared Goff flamethrowers to 99 for the Lions, and a silver Najee Harris rookie. Nice one there again for the Steelers. Matt Ryan, Jalen Hurts, Jalen Camp. How about a red Elijah Vera Tucker to 250, and the Hot Routes Claypool. Eric Stokes for the Packers. Ooh, nice one here for the 49ers. It's a Trey Lance Heat Waves. That's to 199, 113 of 199 on the Heat Wave Lance. And a Luke Kuechly silver. Leonard, Gronk, Etienne. And a Greg Newsome 275 for the Browns. And Filler John. And a silver Kyler Murray. My son and I were opening a bunch of mini helmets to stock my shelves today. We pulled the Kyler Murray. Opened like 2 cases. Eckler, Prescott, Justin Fields base, a Scary Terry to 199, and a Hot Routes Diggs. All right, should be our last auto, right? Metcalf, Wentz, a Koromoa. It's to 50. That's cool. Nice one there for Straight Loons. Great break for Straight Loons. Great break for the Berry boys. We still got half the way to go. Oh my God, come on, Panini. The hell? Flamethrower has the fire barricade. They put a fire barricade all throughout the card there. Make sure that no flames can be thrown. The hell? The hell? Sorry, I'm not even gonna top load that one up there, Phil. That was a great box. What a box of Phoenix. Wagner, Manning, and Ogundeji. How about a Kellen Mond to 199, followed by the Hot Routes McLaurin. Mond pink to 199 for the Vikings. Murray, Kamara, Amon-Ra St. Brown. To 149, it's a dual Dez Fitzpatrick for the Titans. Blake's on the Titans. There you go, Blake. Yeah, 2 breaks in a row with 1 of 1s. The last break we did was the Donruss break. Oh no, we did Donruss, then we did Donruss, then we did Prism draft picks. But that's our second 1 of 1 tonight. Pulled a Jeff Gordon 1 of 1 plate earlier and the Freiermuth. So we're on 2 1 of 1s for the night. Goff, Schuster, Vera Tucker. The Justin Herbert to 199 for the Chargers. Nike fills on the Chargers. Russell Wilson, silver. McCaffrey, Graham, Jamar Chase base. This is to 99. Why couldn't that be autoed? Nice hit there for the 49ers. Lance, Montana, and Young. Why couldn't that be autoed, huh, Dane? Oof, wouldn't that have been sweet? Tom Brady, Fireforged for the Buccaneers. That's a silver. Silver Fireforged Brady for the Buccaneers. Taysom Hill, Higgins, a Larry Roundtree. A blue Jalen Hurts to 35. That's a nice low number at Hurts there for the Eagles. Anthony D's on the Eagles. Kamara. All right, should be our last and final auto of the Phoenix here. Jasecki, Locke, Jalen Darden. There's a sick duel for you, Texans. That's you, Ben. How about a Davis Mills and Nico Collins duel? Nice hit there, Ben. Nice hit, Ben. Kellyanne, how's my thing coming along? Why? Come on. I'm gonna be very disappointed in you if it's not done. Kelsey, Darnold, Holland, and a Garoppolo to 99 for the 49ers, followed by a Waddle for the Dolphins, silver. These Phoenix boxes provide some pretty good value, I must say, with the silvers and the numbered cards. They're going to be pretty strong for our mixers. They're going to be pretty strong for our mixers going forward, I think. Freiermuth. A Hot Routes Godwin to 99, and a Penei Sewell silver. I'm looking forward to putting them in more of our mixers. Hmm? Watt, Jacobs, Wangu, a Myles Garrett to 150 for the Browns. And for the Jets, it's a Robbie Anderson. That's going to the 0 spot for IG. Godwin or Johnson, Nick Bosa, Khalil Herbert, a Zach Wilson rising rookies. That's 152 of 175. Let's go into the 2 spot for the Jets. And the filler squad's Eric. And a silver Patrick Mahomes. Smith, Namath, a Mulrig for the Raiders, a Bobby Wagner to 250 for the Seahawks, and a Justin Jefferson Hot Route Silver for the Vikings. Last pack of box 3, and our second Phoenix. Stafford, Hopkins, a Kyle Trask rookie. A red hot routes of Godwin. I feel like we have the Godwin rainbow in this break for whatever reason. A Pete Werner, silver for the Saints. All right, it all comes down to this. It all comes down to this. We are due. We haven't hit a quarterback out of this yet. I did only have loose boxes from several different sources, so we'll see. Maybe we get lucky. Maybe we have more than one quarterback. We need to find our first, though. That's what we need to do. Oh, look at that. First up, 8 of 10. A Jamar Chase to 10. That is a sick hit. Eight of 10. How about a 19 of 25 Fryermuth with the sick patches there? What a break for Phil. What a break for Phil. Very nice one here for the Buccaneers with some nice patchwork as well. That's 11 of 15 on the Darden. Great break for the Buccaneers as well. And our auto is a Rod Smith for the Broncos. That's sick. PC Nelly. The Rod Smith. He's a legend right here. 9 of 25 on the Rod Smith. The blue ink is kind of sick. That blue ink is kind of sick. All right, the moment of truth here. Right team, wrong player kind of situation. BGS 9, Ramondre Stevenson. Go Pats. Filler squads. Good luck, guys. What up, Zero Cool? He's a great player. I agree. $10. IG. Nice hit, Isaac. Davis Mills and Nico Collins. Zero Cool. All right, let's do a quick recap. Actually, I'm not mad at this break at all. That was a great all-around break. A lot of nice cards in this one. Let's do a quick recap here. Mahomes silver, Garoppolo silver, Waddle, Brady's forged, Herbert, Trey Lance heat waves, silver Najee, silver Lance, silver Chase, Tom Brady pink,
This is how our dog feels when she first had her.
Mahomes, Najee Harris pink, Gainwell silver, Kyler Murray green.
This is how our dog.
What is it?
This is bullshit.
Got a Rod Smith to 10 or to 25, the Darden to 15, the Freiermuth to 25, the Jamar Chase to 10 is sick.
What? This is bullshit.
The triple for the 49ers, the Fitzpatrick, the Chris Godwin, the green Zach Wilson, the silver Tom Brady, the dual Mills and Collins, the Ramondre Stevenson to 35 BGS 9, the 1/1 Freiermuth, and without a doubt the hit of the break, the 9/10 Derek Carr. Wow, what a card. What a sick card there on the Derek.
Leah, there's a video of your cousin dancing with her.
Congrats, y'all. Congrats to the hitters. Sick break. That was 4 boxer number 77. Thanks for the rip, y'all.